The predicate is the part of a sentence that contains the verb and everything that comes after it. It tells us what the subject does or what state the subject is in. For example, in the sentence "the cat sleeps on the mat," the predicate is sleeps on the mat. The predicate gives full meaning to the sentence by explaining the action or condition. Predicates show the action or state of the subject. In simple sentences like "the cat sleeps peacefully," the predicate is just the verb and its modifiers. Predicates can describe actions like sings sweetly or states like is happy. They help us understand what is happening or being described about the subject. There are different types of predicates. A simple predicate is just the main verb, like sleeps. A complete predicate includes the verb and all words describing the action, like sleeps on the mat. A compound predicate has two or more verbs or actions for the same subject, like wash the dishes and listen to music. A predicate adjective describes the subject and comes after a linking verb. A predicate noun renames the subject after a linking verb. A predicate adjective is an adjective that describes the subject of the sentence. It comes after a linking verb such as is, looks, or feels. For example, in the sentence "she is brave," brave is the predicate adjective describing the subject she. These adjectives give more information about the subject's state or condition. Linking verbs connect the subject to information that describes or renames it. Common linking verbs include forms of be, like, is, and are. Other linking verbs express senses such as look, smell, or taste. Some show change or condition, like become or seem. These verbs do not show action, but link the subject to a predicate adjective or noun. A predicate noun, also called a predicate nominative, follows a linking verb and renames or identifies the subject. For example, in "he is a teacher," teacher is the predicate noun. These nouns give more information about who or what the subject is. Predicate nouns always come after linking verbs. The difference between predicate adjectives and predicate nouns depends on what follows the linking verb. Predicate adjectives describe the subject, such as "she is happy." Predicate nouns rename the subject, such as "she is a teacher." Both complete the meaning of the sentence, but serve different roles in describing or identifying the subject. To sum up, a predicate always includes a verb and all words that describe the action or condition. Predicates can be simple with just a verb, complete with extra words, compound with multiple actions, or include predicate adjectives and nouns. Understanding predicates helps you build clear and strong sentences by showing what the subject does or is.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.